and I got a dump truck, and seems like a pretty simple set. Apparently it's one of their 2-in-1 series, so we could potentially also build an excavator out of it. I chose this because a couple of years back I did build what's called a front loader, I think. So I think it will go nice together. Okay, well, let's just dive straight into it. it's I don't know how many trucks actually only have 4 wheels. That would be a pretty lightweight truck. Usually you have, you would have maybe 2 sets of wheels in the front, or you have 1 set of wheel, but then you would have more axles on the back to handle the weight, and also to make sure you have good grip when you're driving. Okay, and we're done. That's it. So just to take it out for a little bit of a test spin, we can steer it pretty well. And if we want to, let's see, we can also tip the bed of it. And now my front loader doesn't need to feel so alone anymore. Let's put some stuff into it. Oh. Okay, so let's assume you excavated these parts. And this raises the Let's see if we can dump it out now. Nope. Yeah, raise it up even more. God, I'm such a child sometimes. And this guy can drive away with all the valuable goods. Then he can tip it out. Yeah, need a little bit of help there. Beep, 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 beep. Brum. Yeah. Oh, that was a fun project.